be out of gas. Got my nice chaps. My assless chaps. Know what I'm saying? No! Looks like I gotta fix the chainsaw again. Of course.
Hey guys, thanks for joining me. So this Homelite Super 2 belonged to my grandfather's, and recently got around to cleaning it and rebuilding it. Got it a new chain, a new spark plug. It turns out the spark plug that was in there was too long. The piston would tap the tip of the spark plug, closing the gap to the point where it couldn't fire anymore. So got that corrected with the proper spark plug, the new chains on there. It's all been cleaned out, the fuel tank as well, all the filters. So it runs good when I get it started. That's the only issue that is left with it, is that it'll take 50 some pulls for it to start. Probably due to bad carb components, so that will have to be replaced. The diaphragm can dry out, the needles and the jets and stuff can wear out as well. So since it's that old, it's probably in need of that, and as well as the pull rope. I don't think I would recommend using paracord for pull rope, since it doesn't seem to last inside of the pulley when it winds up. So I'm going to have to get the actual pull ropes going for it to be more durable. At the same time, with the carb kit, it should allow it to start a little bit easier. Less effort. So here I'm just burning the tip of the paracord to a fine point to pass it through the hole of the white pulley that goes on the crank. But I'll soon notice that I'm making a mistake, which is the pull rope has to go through the casing before being attached to both ends. And you can see that the black handle is on there right now. So I'll have to correct that and then finally get it going after. But first time using it, really pleased with the chainsaw. And yeah, so I like the fact that it's old. It used to be my grandfather's, and that I get to keep using it. So hope it lasts for a while, and thanks for watching, and let me know what you think.
Alright, well, I'll come back to you guys when I've fixed it. Alright, Super 2, ready to crank again. This little saw is really teaching me a lot. Not about saws, but about patience. How many times have this thing has been taken apart, rebuilt, all the fetchy things.